Today we're gonna make strawberry jam. Hi everybody, we're back on my channel, and today we have some different special guests. It is my grandma.
Thank you.
Yay!
Okay, so the first step, we wash them and water, drain them. Make sure they're all crystal clean before, but still some wet. And then we'll get all the strawberry green parts off. Let's start. We're now cutting the strawberries.
It's fun to do things together. Oh, there you go. I remember doing this with my mommy when I was a little girl.
Doing
Ellie? Can you?
This morning we were picking out strawberries.
Was it hard or easy?
Easy, but hard to find.
Yeah? Did you have to reach up high on the trees?
No, there was not cheese. It was down low.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Were they hiding?
Yeah.
What did we have to do to find them?
Search from the ground. Sorry, I just chopped.
Oh, it'll work.
Now that's one weird looking strawberry.
Mm-hmm. Did you eat any strawberries while you were picking?
Oh, a big one.
Look at this one.
What does it look like?
It looked like a tutu. Ah! Okay, so it looks like a skirt. Okay, so we just finished cutting up all the green tops of the strawberry seed.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna smash them up.
Okay, so we need to put some in the bowl.
Some
Let's put some in the
in
bowl.
this, a metal bowl.
Oh, yeah. Can you push down on that?
Yeah,
Push,
you
push,
can
push.
get the other one.
Okay, there you
That
go.
too.
You have to kind of push hard. We want to crush the strawberries.
We're gonna mash these strawberries into in small crushed pieces. So we had sugar and we put in JOR-JELL, which makes things like now we already mixed it up most of the way. So
And what did you add to the sugar?
JOR-JELL. And next we will add it to the water. Wait, I'm gonna stop it. I love it.
Very good.
Now do we stir it?
Yes.
Oh, now we start.
How does it look?
Looks like, yeah, I'm not gonna say that.
And then you're going to put it on the stove and heat it until it boils. And while it's boiling, you stir it for 1 whole minute. And then you turn off the heat. And we'll be ready for the next step.
Think we can do that, Ellie?
1 whole minute?
At a rolling boil?
Yes.
Oh, I can't do that. 1 minute. Now it's boiling hot. And we're gonna stir it for, well, the fire is on for 1 minute. It looks like bathtub bubbles. 1 minute and around it. Now we're gonna dump the strawberry bowl into the hot boiling water.
Okay, how about Grandma help?
Yeah, let's do this together, okay?
What will this look like?
Wow, look at
What
all
will
those
the
yummy strawberries.
I wonder what it will look like when we stir it up.
Wow, is it looking like strawberry jam?
Yeah. It's looking like strawberry jam.
Ready?
Look at it. So now we're gonna put the strawberry in all the jars.
You want to do that?
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, that's good. Go to the next one, okay? Oh, good.
Look at all of the jars. Don't they look so good?
They do.
After all of that work, we're going to set them all at the counter for a week.
For 24 hours.
For 24 hours.
And then what will we do with them? Put them in the
Refrigerator.
or freezer.
Freezer.
Yes, but first we need to put lids on them.
Yep.
Should we do that next?
We'll do it.
Oh. How is it, Ellie?
These are great. And we just made strawberry jam. Thanks for joining us. Okay, now they're a little bit sticky. Grandma, can you wipe these off?
Oh,